Hi, this is Ray Guest with Remax Platinum. I don't know if you can see there, but there's, sandy beach, but there's just a eroded bedrock just underneath the water right there. I think that's sort of geologically interesting. And then, probably can see that little bit of exposed rock face there. And now you should be able to see the waterfall for sure. Little stream coming down through there. This is Pictured Rocks near Munising. Kind of a low, go back that way and the cliff faces get pretty high. And also ahead of us they get pretty high. I've hiked part of this trail about 5 miles ahead of us. I've never hiked this section before, so I don't know what is here. Anyhow, this is Ray Guest with Remax Platinum, and if you know anybody needs any help with real estate, let me know. I'd love to help. If you're seeing this video, you're seeing it on my website, so all of my contact information is there. Probably seeing it on my website. And there's my buddy. This is at the end of Miners Beach. I guess it would be the east end.